What is going on out there, guys? It's your boy CryptoMykel here, coming to you today with a Flux news node update. Node news. Woo! What's up? So, as you know, guys, it is happening time, which means collaterals have started happening. Cumulus nodes have started as of a week ago. Now it is time for Nimbus nodes. So, as you know, right now, I'm actually about to go turn off my Cumulus node, move my funds over, and start moving funds. I got a good buddy that I'm actually going to run a Cumulus or a Nimbus node with, so that way it takes away some of my overhead barrier to entry. We can still run it, still provide content on earnings, and I can also run Cumulus nodes to help offset other costs as well as experiment further into the space. So, without further ado, guys, let's dig in. Alright, so as you guys can see, my daemon info, it is connected. Now my benchmark actually will not update anymore via the node website. Yeah, benchmarks will not update for my old full node. Granted, in 10 days actually, or 6 days actually, this node will no longer provide value to the network and it'll disconnect. So we're going to go ahead and start moving things around. I've already sent out some to test out a Cumulus node, which we'll have setup guide coming here soon on the channel. But now we're going to go ahead and delete the node, as well as that will unlock my 10,000 Flux collateral. And then I can go ahead and get started moving things over for a Nimbus node and then another Cumulus node as well. Maybe even more. Kind of the plan of attack. I want to see how things go over the next month for things to end on collaterals. We have the node happening, should be done and over with by the 9th or 10th of April. So by that time, everything should be smoothed over. Give it or so a week after that, everything that has been online previously will no longer be online at all, and everything would have been done, set, and good to go. So you can see right there was some of the extra flux that I had sent out, the last that I needed to create my Cumulus node for setup guide and everything like that. So we're going to go ahead and go down here to tools, and this is all you got to do is just go to delete, click delete. It's telling me right here that my Flux node is about to be deleted. Bring it right there. See, your full node will restart and apply changes and unlock Flux node amount, like all my collateral. So, yes, delete. Alright, so now that is deleted, we're going to wait for confirmations. It's loading block index. Alright. Loading block index, because it's not going to know what to do anymore, and rewriting blocks if needed, verifying blocks, rescanning, and boom. As you can see, all of our Flux is now in our public node balance. Our node is no longer found. Alright, it is gone. Done. You can see right there. No nodes found. So, that is it. And now, we can go on and send our Flux to create our new nodes with the new lower collaterals and a little bit higher requirements. But, you know, as everything evolves, especially in Flux OS, we need more collateral for requirements, so that way we can launch larger programs, build bigger ecosystems on the network. So guys, without further ado, please make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, see you in the time that we go live here on this channel. This was a real short video. It's kind of a monumental moment for me. I've been running my Flux node for well over a year, almost a year and a half actually. And it's come a long way. It's quite literally changed the way I see things and has changed my life completely. And had to record this, so Thank you, Flux. FLUXnode, you're awesome. It's been a hell of a journey from going to mine this flux and like earn this flux from doing some work for the actual flux. Back in the day, I used to work for their team for community. So using all of that, putting in proof of work and actual work, I accumulated this flux that let me run this, and it is like absolutely insane. So I can't wait to see what's going to happen next. And Flux the moon. Have a fluxtastic day, guys. We'll see y'all next time. Peace out.